So ever since I was a little kid, I was known as that kid who was tall. I was always that tall kid at recess, and I was always that one kid in class who had to go and pull down the screen in the front of the class because no one else could reach it. Right now I am 6'4", and I think that's pretty freaking tall. I don't know if I'm gonna grow anymore, but a lot of the tools that I use, when I'm using them for a extended period of time, for example the table saw, if I'm doing a lot of multiple cuts on something or doing a lot of I just really don't like it. And most people aren't my height. They're at the tallest 6 foot. I kind of consider myself an outlier. But today what I'm going to do is create a box that my table saw can sit on so that I raise it up to the height of my workbench right there. And what I would like to do is, because since this is a small shop and I don't have an enormous amount of space, I'd like to double this workbench right here as an outfeed table for my table saw. However, my workbench is sitting at I think like 40.5 or 41 inches. This is pretty tall, but I really like the height of this. And my table saw is at like 30 something inches, and there's this difference right here you can see. Lengthwise, it needs to be 36 inches and then 30 inches across. And then I determined that it needs to be 4 inches tall. And this is a perfect example as to why I need an outfeed table.
You're gonna measure this out too.